Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 1st. Let's get right into economic data here. We have at 7:15, we have non-farm employment change. Then we've got ISM manufacturing at 9 a.m. Nothing after that for today. You have some FOMC speaking at 11:15. I don't anticipate any movement there. We are at 80% poly markets that there's going to be a government shutdown. As I was explaining yesterday, that could create some downside in the market. However, I do think that that would be creating some future opportunity for pullback longs. Let's get right into the ES right now. We can go over yesterday. We had some really good levels here that held up. The 66.96.75 level came down and respected it, and then we rallied back up at the end of the day. And then overnight, I think there was all the talks about the government shutdown and the stance that both the Democrats and the Republicans have right now. I do think there's going to be a shutdown. I think, in my opinion, that shutdown is probably going to last a little longer than most people think, because I think they're both going to be holding a really strong stance here. Schumer has to hold a strong stance because he doesn't want to lose the power over to the other side of his party with AOC. That's just my opinion there. And then on the Republican side, I think the Republicans are just going to hold strong and not give up on their wantingness to shrink the government. So that's just my opinion there right there. So we're approaching right now this 9/18, September 18th high at 67.18 in pre-market right now. You can see the volume's not really great. I would not be surprised if we open up a little push up and then we pull back and then maybe try to test some lower levels down here. The 66.62.75. I like that level for a pullback. You can see I drew this level here at 66.90 yesterday. It kind of blew through it in pre-market, and then now it seems to be respecting it right now. So we'll see what happens once the market opens up there. The NASDAQ is a very similar chart. You could see right here, yesterday did not quite get down here to the 26.47.25 level during day yesterday. However, you could see how it's respecting that level now in pre-market. But again, the volume, it's not horrible volume here, but you could see that level right there that I drew seems to be respecting it pretty well. And we are trying to hold September 23rd low at 24,780 and 50 cents. Trying to push higher there. I do expect I would probably not be surprised if the market opens up and we get a little resistance up here at 24,888 for the NASDAQ. If we look back here, you can see once we lost this channel here, it's now been consolidating. We can throw the EES back up there, and it's pretty much the same type of a chart. You could see that when it was channeling, we lost that, and now this little area right here, this is a consolidation period. So buyers and sellers are trying to make up their mind on which direction that the market is going to go. I think if we can, like I said yesterday, if we can break and hold above the 67.31.50 mark, I could see us pushing higher than the 67.50, 675 mark. But even if we get above this, I would anticipate the 6,800 level give us a little bit of resistance up there. So that is it for the broader markets. Let's get right into Tesla. Tesla yesterday. Tesla pre-market yesterday, I was talking about I would like to see some pullback longs. And the first level I had down here was 435.35. You could see how the market pulled back here and really got some good buying that came in right at this level. So it seems to be respecting that 435 level right now. In order for Tesla to move higher, I think we have to get above this 444.99, call it 445 level. If we can get above that, I think we can try to push our way back up to the 450.99 level. But in order for Tesla to really get going, I think we need to break this level of 452.75, hold this level, and then once we can see that the level's holding, then we can, pop back up uh, into this 466.19 level, that first level right there. And then through that, if we get through that level, then I think we get off to the races back to new highs. Based on everything that's happening with the government shutdown right now, do I think that we can get there right, as of right now? Not really sure. However, you can see the same thing right now that Tesla is consolidating right now for the last couple of days right in here from the 450.98 highs, and then all the way down here, we got as low as 434.53. Let's go right over. Let's go over the 5-minute opening range trade yesterday. Let's expand this and move on over here. Nice 5-minute opening range trade yesterday, a lot cleaner than it was the day before. You could see that we had a nice little opening range here, 439.11 to 443.58. So that was about call it a $4 opening range. That's a better. It seems like this kind of trade works out better when you have a smaller opening range, 5-minute opening range trade. And if we go back and we look at the previous days opening ranges, they've been pretty enormous for Tesla. Right here, the day before, we had a $7 opening range trade, and then I think on Friday it was probably pretty similar. On Friday, we had about an $8 opening range trade. So those trades still work out, but when they get extended like that, it makes me a little weary to take that trade. So you can see right here from Friday, we had a $8 opening range, and then we broke it, and then you could see barely busted above it, and then we made our way downward. So that's what I pay attention to, how extended the first 5-minute opening range trade makes it. So we still have our levels in place right now. Let's go back to, let's get back to, where are you? There we are. So here we are on, okay, the futures market is opening now. So we have some pre-market POC levels setting up down here at 438. So once the market gets closer to open, I will plot that level here and see if that pulls back to that level as a level of support. Right now, it seems that this 435 level is holding up right now, and we seem to be like in a little bit of a channel here. So I still have this resistance level up here, and until we bust this level and hold above it, I'm going to keep this whole rectangle area red, letting me know that if I'm in a long trade, I have to be prepared for this to reject. You could see on, I think that was, what was it? No, this is Monday. You see Monday how there was a big rejection up here. So it's still respecting that level, is from back here on Thursday, and then right here on Monday. So we still have to give respect for that level right there at 430, the 450.98 high right up in there. So again, we're going to just wait and see how the market reacts, what the price action once it shows up. But as of right now, the levels are still intact. I'd like to see us get above this 440, call it 445 level. If we hold above that, it would give me more confidence that we're going to go higher. If you look over here, let's go CAMS daily. 444.72 is where the market closed yesterday. So we have to break and hold above that in order to continue to go up. If we pop up in here and we reject it, I think there's going to still be pullback. Anyways, that's it for today. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If there's any comments you want to leave them below, and join up for the Discord as we're trying to create the trading community. Have a great trading day. I will talk to you tomorrow.